folks, welcome back to the kitchen. We're getting ready to do the second step in our sourdough bread. Okay, first thing you're going to notice is I have a bigger container than what I had when I first started the starter. It kind of overflowed. Let me tell you what I did. It's something that I wouldn't recommend anybody doing, but I didn't think about it, guys. This is real life, and it is what it is. I put my jar fairly close to a crock pot that was on low, and all that extra heat just really sped this starter up. So, there you go. Learn from my mistake. Okay, I also had to replace the cloth that was over top of it. Folks, you can use a paper towel, a napkin. You can use a handkerchief. Just something that can breathe. Okay, but back to this next step. Okay, I'm going to stir my starter up. Okay. And guys, this is already getting a good sour smell to it. Put my funnel on there. I'm going to add 1 cup of warm water. I will put all the instructions in the description box, so don't worry about that. I'm putting my sugar, and I'm putting instant potato flakes, folks. That is all it takes to feed this starter. Okay. I'm going to stir it up again. Get everything mixed up good. I'm going to put my cloth, or in this case a napkin, back on top of it so it can breathe. And this is going to be sitting out at room temperature until in the morning. And tomorrow we're going to mix the bread up, let it rise all day, and then tomorrow evening we are going to have homemade sourdough bread. I'll show you what I'm doing in the morning. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on that next video.